How to add links to your Instagram stories. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. So first things first, you have to make sure that your device has the latest version of Instagram installed, because older generations of Instagram did not support adding links to your stories, and there was a constraint wherein you had to have a minimum of 10,000 followers to add links. But now that Instagram has updated its policies, you can add links irrespective of the number of followers you have. So now that I've said that, and now that I'm presuming that you have the latest version of Instagram installed, we'll go on with the process of uploading a story. For me, I'm going to show you how it's done with this post of mine. So it's pretty simple. All you have to go is go to the stickers tab, and over there you can see there's sticker which is called link. You just press on it and paste or type in the link that you want to share. And once you've done that, you press done, and then you can change the format of the link. You can make it dark, you can make it light. It also happens to be becoming blue. And yeah, this is up to you. You can customize it as you want. And once you've done that, just post it. And once you posted your story, you can view the link by clicking on the visit link button. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And yeah, bye bye.